Hi! I am in West Virginia now. I crossed the border, but there was no sign, so I really don't know where I crossed the border. Yeah, I'm on my way to a campsite around the Canaan Valley area, I believe, and I'm gonna be sticking around that area for a couple days. If you're new to my channel, I'm Sydney and I've been traveling the country in my car, and I'm doing my East Coast portion of my road trip right now, with my home base being Virginia. My seat is so far forward that whenever I move my visor, I have to like move my entire head out of the way and borderline crash every single time that I do. But I have important news. I put contacts in for like the second time in my entire life. I got them a couple years ago, so I don't know if there's an expiration date on contacts. Please, somebody tell me. But I wore them yesterday and today, so I guess this is the third time I've ever put them in. So I can wear sunglasses without wearing my glasses at the same time, and it is so nice. They feel kind of weird though. I don't know if they're supposed to feel weird. I don't know if you can put them on inside out, which is probably what I did. I'm probably going to struggle getting them out tonight, so that'll be fun for you guys to watch. Okay, I'm gonna get to camp. I think I have about an hour left. It is actually kind of chilly, so I'm gonna put this very thin flannel on. I don't know if it's gonna help, but we'll see. I think I'm hungry and a little bit cold. I just realized that I don't know where my fork is. I have two places I could look. The place I think I put it last and my little kitchen area. But if I don't find it, I don't know how I'm gonna eat my food. It's probably gonna be finger food at that point. I found it. It's behind the bear spray. You know, casual. Oh, my mom gave me this new cup so I can eat my protein water better. Drink. Why did I say eat? That was weird. I think I'm just gonna eat and then lay down and probably go to sleep. It's 5:30, but the sun is gonna set really soon. Oh no. There's eggs in there. I hope I didn't smash them. I don't have the best light situation, so we're gonna make do with what we have, which is my phone. Okay, I'm gonna eat my pasta. I'm gonna watch YouTube while I eat this. So yeah, TTYL. Strong mayonnaise, and you can put all your spices that you want. I think I'm gonna wash my face with a SpongeBob washcloth today. It really feels like it is 9 p.m. Ow! How do people get them out? We have victory. I got both of them out. I have a video to start editing, so that's what I will be doing for the rest of the night. Good morning. I just woke up. It's 8 o'clock and I am going to make some avocado toast. If you followed me since the beginning, when I was making eggs, back when I actually made breakfast, I would put a pound of cheese in there because I cannot stand the taste of eggs. And I happen to forget cheese. And there's no way I'm going to gag on a bunch of eggs this morning, so I'm just gonna make avocado toast with no eggs. Just toast. Really. It's fine. That was beautiful. And it was pretty easy to get to. There's this overlook that I want to go find. And then I have no idea what I'm doing after that for the day. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I've decided on going to Seneca Rocks after this, and it's about an hour away, so I'll get there around noon, and then I'll either camp at the same spot as last night or find another place to camp around there. I do have to get gas on the way. got my food. I don't know if it's good to eat a bunch before you go on a big hike, but I'm not about to hike on an empty stomach. I'm having a real dilemma right now. Camp! I think that I'm craving something sweet, so I'm gonna eat some cake, leftover birthday cake from my dad's party. I'm so glad that I didn't do that hike because about 30 minutes to an hour after I left Seneca Rocks, I was getting really sleepy, and I know I would have still been on that hike, and I would have just been probably miserable. And the views that you see from that hike are the same ones that I captured from my drone, so I feel like I didn't really miss out on anything. And if I want to go exercise, I can just walk on this road. I say that as I'm eating cake. Can't wait to drink this lukewarm protein water. I've never used one of these before. Well, my little humble abode has gotten messy quick. That's okay though. It be like that sometimes. I think I'm just gonna start working, or I'm gonna continue on the video I started yesterday. And then if I get hungry again, I have leftover lasagna that I'm gonna heat up. But I also just have I have cheese and meat also that I could just eat, which should be really easy, which honestly, I'm probably gonna do that. I decided that I'm going to eat this meat and cheese bag for dinner. And I'm going to continue to watch a YouTube video
of things to figure out while we're on the road, but you can't.
Look how pretty the sunset is. That should be enough. I'm going to the dentist this week. They're probably going to tell me to floss more and to wear my retainer more. And then they're probably going to tell me I have 10 cavities even though I've never gotten a cavity in my entire life. Good thing my cousin's a dentist now. He can fix my cavity for free, I bet. It's almost 8. Good morning, good morning. I'm gonna head home. I have some duties to take care of there. I'm going to do minimal things before I leave because I have a couple hour drive home. And then when I get home, I will proceed to take a shower and clean my car. I just wanted to say thank you all for watching my videos. I know I have a lot of new subscribers in here, and I think it's crazy that you all want to watch my videos, but I'm going to keep making them. I love going on adventures, I love filming, I love editing, so don't worry, they're going to keep on coming. And I'll see you where the next adventure takes me.